We have more for our audience too. A free copy of my book.
Sorry.
And a free set of Power V. So you can stay up all night while reading my book.
Wow. Yes, I have other questions now.
No. I think we're done here.
Okay na pala, bro. Ginawa na ng paraan ni Cyrus para tumigil na.
Aalamin ko po yung nangyari.
I'll handle, Mom.
Brandon, I'm fine. I'm okay. Kailangan ko lang talagang kausapin yung host na yon.
Mom, kinakausap na siya ni Sec Kim. And don't worry, the whole team is on this. Just stay here with Dad. Ako nang bahala.
No. Kailangan natin kausapin ng Park family. I'm sure they noticed something is amiss. We need to reassure them. Lavi, stay here. And try to calm down first, okay?
I guess history repeats itself.
Brandon, nabigla din ako nung tinanong nila ako tungkol sa kidnapping. Alam naman sabihin ko yung totoo in front of everyone. They'll turn to you, put you in the spotlight again, but this time kasama ng kumpanya.
And since when did you care about the company?
I didn't do it for the company. I did it to protect you.
Well, I don't need your protection.
Brandon.
Stop it. Walang mag-aaway ngayon. Okay? Cyrus, stay with your mother.
Okay, Dad.
Donnie, with me.
Kausapin ko talaga yung reporter na yun.
Mom.
Inigo, hindi ko in-expect na gagamitin mo tong event namin para magkalat ng chismis.
Excuse me, I am not a fake news peddler. Just because somebody ordered a news blackout, sa tingin mo mangyayari na yun? You better make sure you have the evidence to back that up.
I just spoke to our lawyer. He said we can file an oral defamation case for that stunt that you pulled.
This is harassment. Ano sa palagay mong ginawa mo sa anak ko on stage? Papunta na yung mga abogado natin?
They're on the way. I suggest magtawag ka na rin ng abogado mo.
Please naman, ma'am. Cyrus, hindi ko naman gusto gawin yun eh. Pinilit lang ako ng isang reporter para tanungin yung mga tanong na yun. Isang reporter? Sino? Troy Sebastian. You know him, right?
Pwede ba akong humingi ng favor?
Sure.
May hinahanap kasi akong bata. Nung late 90s, dinukot siya sa may Santa Rosa. Baka pwedeng matulungan ako ng team mo sa news department.
If you want, pwede ko itong i-pursue. Because, who knows, there might be information out there na...
Secretary Kim.
Excuse me.
How is Cyrus? It seems he was taken aback by the host questions.
He is fine. Don't worry about that. So, it is true he was kidnapped as a child?
It was me, Mr. Park. Not my brother. Our whole family had to keep this ordeal a secret to give me time and help me heal from my trauma.
But trauma has a way of coming back to haunt you, doesn't it? It can affect us in ways we never imagined. Yes, we have all dealt with that. But once again, we apologize for what happened. This event is about the company and our partnership. It is not about our family history. So we were all shocked that the kidnapping incident that happened in the past was brought up. I understand.
Troy, dapat tutulungan mo lang ako mahanap kung sino yung batang kasama ko, di ba? Bakit ganito yung nangyari?
Kim, I just want people to know the truth. Okay? Trabaho ko to. It's not personal.
Nothing personal. Bakit pinuput on the spot mo yung mga boss ko? Bakit mo sinasabotahe yung event namin? Troy, umamin ka nga sa akin. Bakit mo ginagawa to, ha? Para ba to sa career mo, ha?
So what if it is?
Troy naman! Troy! Troy!
Check with Secretary Kim if anything else is wrong. Ako nang bahala sa mga parks.
Excuse me, Mr. Park. Mrs. Park.
Si Troy, siya may gawa ng lahat ng ito. Si Troy po.
Whatever it is, we're gonna fix this together. I'm here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm here.